Oh. Well, that's not a bad boondocking spot at all.
So here we are at Denali, and you just never know who you're going to run into. Look, look, RV Miles runs into Home on the Hitch. I mean, come on.
We are here south of Fairbanks, about 40 to 50 miles south of Fairbanks, and so guess what time it is? You can see the sun in the sky.
8:48 p.m.
10:27 p.m. So hey there, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. We have arrived in the stunning city of Fairbanks, Alaska. So grab your winter coat and let's dive into some of the basic facts about this incredible city. So Fairbanks is located in the heart of Alaska. It's a city that embraces the spirit of the last frontier. With its unique blend of breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture, it's no wonder why it's a top destination for adventurers and nature enthusiasts all over the world. One of the standout features of Fairbanks is its proximity to the Arctic Circle, which means you can experience the mesmerizing phenomenon of the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. Picture yourself gazing up at the dancing colors in the night sky. It's truly a sight to behold, or so they say. We're here in the summertime. Now here's something fascinating about Fairbanks. During the summer months, the sun barely sets. It's also known as the midnight sun, and it creates endless daylight, giving you more time to explore and indulge in all that Fairbanks has to offer. Now, let's not forget about the incredible wildlife that calls Fairbanks home. Get ready to encounter majestic moose wandering through the town, or catch a glimpse of the mighty bears in their natural habitat. Just remember, keep your bear spray with you at all times and keep a distance from those animals if you happen to see them. So there's a lot of things to see in Fairbanks. There's an ice museum, there's a Chena hot springs, there's an antique automobile museum, and I think we're going to try to fit all that in. We've got Tabitha, one of our daughters, is coming in to visit for a few days. So I think Tabitha and Melissa are actually going to try to take a train ride from here in Fairbanks to Denali for the day. That's a 4-hour one-way train ride down, but you probably get to see some stuff that you don't get to see on a normal basis, just driving to Denali. Yeah, got a meter of the skeeter on the skeeter meter. These here in Delta Junction, I think, are the biggest ones we've seen.
They are the biggest mosquitoes I've ever seen.
Skeeter meter. Check it out. Mile 1422 is the end of the Alaska Highway. Right here. I knew we'd finally see one. Right here. Do what?
You just don't always see reindeer.
You don't always see reindeer. Actually, you don't really ever see reindeer. Oh, it's closed.
Oh, whatever.
Look, it's closed.
Don't be hating on Christmas. It's Christmas in July.
Well, let the pain begin, folks. Let the pain begin. Oh, look, it's closed.
When you married us, you signed on for
No, I
this.
didn't sign up for this.
Yes, you did.
We're gonna be here forever. There's definitely not a fudge shop down there.
Yeah.
And there's definitely not an upstairs either.
Don't go looking.
Look
at the face. You see the face? Oh.
Yeah.
How you doing? Where are you visiting from?
We're from Georgia.
What part?
Northwest.
West is Atlanta.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Christmas Eve, we need out some barbecue, okay?
Oh, well, you got it.
You can have that. We got plenty of that.
Very good barbecues.
She's trying to suck up.
Okay. hush.
Last minute.
Doing a better job than you are.
That is my life story. 1905 Advanced Traction Engine. Look how beautiful that is. 1917 Owen Magnetic. Midget racers, man. 1937 V8 60. 1926 snow motor. Built off of a Ford tractor chassis. It's a Model T, a 1917 Model T Snow Flyer. It's called the Moose Gooser. The things that were handmade out of brass. And the hand stitched, like the leather. Look at the little wooden drawers underneath the car seat. Look.
It's like the
And the little valves.
and it's all hand fitted and
That is a
hand soldered.
hand soldered made copper radiator.
This is the last.
This is the original third seat vehicle.
Oh, yeah.
See, it has pops up.
Oh, it's got a little jump seat that pops in the middle. Yeah. I don't know what I expected, but I didn't expect the collection in here to be this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, $4,000 factory price.
That's gonna be big. Well, top hat and gloves.
Oh my God, look how gorgeous this is.
Spoke wheels.
Look at this car.
It won a major award.
It's a 1917 Pierce Aero Model 66. 7-passenger touring vehicle. 6560. Factory price is about $229,000 today's money. That's you a rich one. Does it come with addresses? Oh Lord, you got like some kind of seats are in there.
They're dinette seats. See? The legs on it. You can fold it.
Fold down, make a bed.
You can stretch your legs out.
Good Lord. A 1932 Cadillac
It's all.
V16 Imperial Limousine by Fleetwood.
This is like a train with rubber tires.
Oh my God. So that's the Fountainhead Antique Museum, and it's well worth it.
It was well worth it.
Yeah. So if you're here,
And the lady at the desk is very entertaining.
she is very entertaining. She's an old school teacher, so what's your attitude? And be careful with your selfie sticks, or you'll get in trouble. But yeah, if you're up here, it's definitely worth the stop. But you got your sunglasses on for at 9:30 p.m.
It's 9:30.
The night sun.
Sunglasses. It's 9:30 p.m.
Yeah. When Mel gets out here, we're gonna go for a little walk the dog, play. Guess what time it is?
But can you guess?
What
time is it?
What's the answer, Mel?
The answer is 12:40 p.m. Or, excuse me.
AM.
AM.
As in 40 minutes after midnight. Honey, that's like, are we kidding? Because it's,
I don't understand what's happening.
look at this, man. This is absolutely crazy. It is almost 1 a.m. And here we are. Oh, God. Skeeter got me.
Oh, that thing's huge. Oh no, it just kills.
All right, behind me, guys, is the ice bar here at the Aurora Ice Museum, the largest year-round ice museum in the world. It's housed in a immersion chiller that keeps it at 25 degrees during the summertime and allows it to be here. I think it's been here, it was put up in 2005, I believe. So all of the ice sculptures here at the Aurora Ice Museum are done by a single man and woman, world champion ice carvers. Over here, that's actually a wedding chapel where you can get married. There's a small igloo there. In the back, there's 4 rooms that you can actually rent out at night. This is one of the, so this is one, I don't even know if you can see me or not. This is one of the rooms that you can stay in here at the hotel. And you can stay in for the night.
So they give you, you know, bedding.
Right.
To help
They better.
keep you warm.
Because it's like 25 degrees in here, but if you can see, I don't even, you can't even really see that. That's crazy. Line it up with your, that helps a little bit. Look, that's where you sleep, in there. But the entire place is made out of ice. I don't want to spend the night in here.
He's got wolves.
No.
Oh man, we're booking this. We are.
Honey, which one would you like?
Which room do you want? Got a table here, fireplace, a little dinette. And this is a view from this balcony overlooking the bar over there. The noise you hear in the background is this guy back here over in the corner actually carving out ice glasses for the appletinis that you can get here at the ice bar.
Yay! I'm here. I made it.
What are we doing? This is Tabitha.
We're going to Denali today.
Yeah? We're riding on the train from Fairbanks to Denali.
4 hours, but
One way.
She's gonna kill me for making her get up so early. But
Oh no, it's okay. Anything for you, sweetie.
yeah, I got a little pamphlet. It says there's moose and ermines and bear.
Do you know what an ermine is?
Oh, weasels.
Okay.
I love weasels. I got so excited that we might see an Arctic ground squirrel.
Which is also known as a squirrel.
Yeah, but they're a different color.
Well, at least y'all know she comes by it naturally.
Okay, so what did we just learn, Tabitha?
That you can get passports stamped at national parks.
So you
or
can
canceled.
Right. So you can purchase your national park pass, your national park passport at the park stores, and then you take them to the visitor center.
They have like
And-
different regions with different sections.
Yeah, and then you take them to the visitor center and get them stamped, which is what we're going to do right now. Hold on. Squirrel! Look at where the beavers have been hard at work.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, look. Here's where they cut down. Look at that. And then they pack it.
Look at that.
Yeah. So here we are at Denali, and you just never know who you're going to run into. Look.
This is the year to be up in Alaska.
It is the year.
A lot of people
Everybody's here.
postpone this until,
Yeah, we've all been waiting.
It's nice because the borders are completely
yeah, and
free and open.
Yeah.
You know, there's no restrictions.
And also, I know we couldn't have all planned for this,
Right.
but the weather.
oh
has
my
just
gosh, it's been phenomenal.
spectacular.
Yeah, yeah. I
We have been
totally agree.
so fortunate. After, for us, we were on the West Coast prior. We came in around the Seattle-Washington crossing. All of that time in California and the Pacific Northwest, it was just rain.
So
And
this is a welcome then.
Yeah, I mean, I'll take it as long as this is what I
Absolutely.
got up here through Canada and Alaska, because it's, you know,
I
now
totally
you know why
agree.
people do
Yeah,
this, right?
I know,
Like,
and then we try to express it to you, but it just doesn't work. So it's
No.
just one of those things you really have to kind of experience
Yes.
for yourself.
Yeah.
And we keep saying, like, if we can do it,
So can you?
anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Because everyone keeps saying, well, I'm scared. just like literally, I started driving for the first time through the Yukon. Like,
Oh, you are brave.
if I can do it,
Anybody can do that.
Just
yeah.
bring some spare parts. That's
Yeah,
all.
that's all you need.
a tire.
Yep. Where there's a will, there's a
Right.
way.
Maybe travel with some friends. That helps ease the fears a little bit. Because if you don't
Absolutely.
have it, they do.
That's
like,
right.
You know.
Well, and then you always have a backup plan too.
Yeah.
You got
Right.
somebody who's there who can help you
Another
in those
vehicle.
places where there's no service.
and you have friends to laugh with you through the hard times and help you through them.
And there will
then
be those. There will be those.
They will, and then they can also be a deterrent for the
But there's
mosquitoes.
a great
Friends go
time.
eat. Yes.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we have to get back on our train.
Go get on your train.
So
Don't
it
miss
was great to see you, and I hope that we see you again.
I hope
on
so
the
too.
road.
Thank you for talking to
Oh,
us.
thank
for
you.
stopping by.
Yeah, I hope so. Have fun for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we love you.
No. Hey, be safe.
Will do.
Huh?
You too, please.
We will.
That was heated.
Always the worst part.